introduce Martin Crossman at this point from the Twinmotion team, and he's going to show some pretty amazing stuff that was actually constructed on top of the Unreal Engine. Martin?
Thanks, Chris.
There you go.
Hi, everyone. I just wanted to quickly thank Epic Games for giving us the opportunity to be here today to show you our product. So first off, what is Twinmotion? Twinmotion is a 3D real-time visualization software dedicated to architecture. And for our new upcoming release, it's actually tonight, we are launching it for the show. We are really proud to announce that we are using Unreal, which gives our user the most powerful tool for architectural visualization. Here I'm in Revit. It's a big project, more than 4 million polygons. The basic idea of Twinmotion is that in one click, I can synchronize this project with Twinmotion and begin to visualize it in real time right away. It didn't go through the cloud, it's local, and it's fast. Let's check it out. So here I'm in Twinmotion. Everything you see here, from the PBR materials, the animated people, and the cars, has been automatically replaced during this synchronization. We also keep the BIM information, all the data the architect put inside this project. And we also automatically replace the vegetation. In Revit, we just add some basic billboard with the shape of a tree. During this synchronization, we automatically replace those billboards by Twinmotion trees, which are affected by the weather and the seasons. Talking about that, let's jump into our Nature tab, Weather. So here we have two main sliders. The first one is controlling the cloud coverage. So if I start to drag this one here, cloud will appear, and at some point, it will rain. Thanks. The second slider here is controlling the season. So we start at the summer, going through fall, and now winter is coming. As you can see here, we also have an automatic occluding system that prevents particles from going in, so it will never rain or snow inside the project. There is a lot of features like this one that we had in mind for quite some time, but we weren't able to achieve them with our previous technology. We've been working on Twinmotion for more than 10 years now, and switching to Unreal definitely gives us the power of achieving our vision for the software. At any moment in Twinmotion, we can change the time of day, so we can visualize the project up at noon or at sunset. In Twinmotion, everything is at 100% real time. There is no baking, there is no pre-calculation. It's something really important because at any moment, the architect should have the possibility to change the time, to make sun study, change the weather and the seasons, and see how it will affect the project and its lighting. Talking about the lighting, we just come inside, but right now it's pretty dark. Thanks to Unreal, now we have some GI using the light propagation volume. This was something we couldn't consider before. And Unreal was the only engine on the market that gives us this feature. So here, if I just boost a bit the intensity of my GI, the light is way more entering the building. Another way to show you this GI is just to jump into our material library and drag this orange one here. As you can see, my pillars has been overlaid by orange. Same with this green one here. Another thing that is really important in terms of architecture is at some point to bring life to the project. And what better way to do so than to add some people? So here, I'm using a simple tool to create a path. Once I release my tool, people will start spawning on my path. Thanks. When we designed the software, our main goal was to create a simple tool with a really friendly user UI. So it consists of 3 major panels. The first one on the left is the library that is native of the software, where you will find all the materials, the people, the vehicles, etc. At the bottom of the screen, we have what we call the dock. It's basically where you have all the options and the settings. Like here, my path is still selected, so I can change the type of people, their clothing, the width of my path, or even the density of people. And on the right side of my screen here, we have what we call the scene graph, where I have all the hierarchy of my project. For this demo, I already set up a folder with a few more people. Let's just unhide it. So Twinmotion can be used on any project side, from really small individual houses to really large buildings like this one. And at the end, with Twinmotion, we can export 4 different types of media. Image, video and video 360, panorama, and a BeamMotion. The BeamMotion is the standalone exe file. Let's jump into our image and select this first one. So Twinmotion allows the user to do even more, from project review to phasing and variation. In this first example here, we have some leafy tree in front of our building. In the second image here, we have some palm tree. Twinmotion has always been designed to be used at any step of an architectural workflow, from the first sketch to the last render. But now, thanks to Unreal, we are pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve in terms of real-time architectural visualization. And while today Twinmotion is kind of at the end of the line in this architectural workflow, we're also pushing our partnership with Epic Games, so in the future, you will be able to open your Twinmotion file in Unreal and keep working on your project. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Martin.